world is critically suffering from heart disease. As per World Health Organization, 17.7 million people dying every year due to heart disease across the globe, and this ratio is increasing every year.
Good morning, America. Today, we will talk about heart disease, symptoms and real cure in detail. I am with Dr. Roger Miller, who will explain you this in detail based on his research and experience, so, let's begin. Hi Dr. Miller, we are here to talk about heart disease and what people should care. Can you please describe to us?
Hello Rob, thanks for the opportunity. I am really worried about increasing death ratio, what CDC and WHO saying. It is very important to everyone understand the heart disease and cure. 635,260 people dies every year in America due to heart disease. Most of doctor says, the heart attack major cause are tobacco use, consumption of fast food, soft drinks and high blood pressure, etc.
So, what is your opinion or research says about heart disease? Dr. Miller.
Mostly patients don't research or Google before or after treatment, but it is really very important to understand what happens in heart disease like stroke, attack, etc. and what treatment is safe treatment for us. Let's understand. Heart disease begins when a person starts suffering from blood pressure issue. Blood pressure happens due to blood acidity, so the real reason for heart disease is blood acidity. Whenever you take any inorganic chemical processed food, drinks and drug, the blood acidity process starts from there. No doubt, we are surrounded by chemical food, drinks and drugs. We cannot get away from all this, that's why the heart disease ratio is increasing every year. The blood acidity increase the blood density higher than normal, which creates problems to heart while pumping the blood in complete body. Such blood create blockage in heart artery. No matter how much you are running or doing exercises, but this issue will never let you stay healthy. Our body alarms when we get attacked by heart disease. If you are feeling discomfort, pressure, tightness, pain or sensation in chest or arm that spread to neck, jaw or back, or random nausea, indigestion, heartburn, abdominal pain, short breath, etc. are high alert for our heart and us. As per recent statistics, 30+ male and 40+ females are being victimized by the heart disease.
So, Mr. Miller, how can people know that they are under heart disease alert area, and what should they do? Because, you already said that chemical processed drugs are also not helpful. Audience would also like to know that, if these medications are not helpful, then why we feel relaxed after medicines or drugs?
Thanks Rob. Generally, we all are under risk of heart disease due to surrounded food and drugs, but those are under the high risk if using tobacco, having blood pressure, high cholesterol, obesity, diabetes, metabolic syndrome, family history of heart attack, lack of physical activity, etc. Inorganic drugs acts like addiction. These drugs deactivate the affected area nerves and neurons. That's why, after taking the prescribed drugs, you don't feel any pain or discomfort. It makes you feel like cure, but it is just an illusion for a while, until drug acts during the specific duration. But all chemical processed drugs are harmful for liver and kidney. You can easily search by self how harmful these medicines are. Whatever chemical drug you use, just search the side effects of that drug on Google and you will find the number of side effects. Even some of medicines are life threat too.
So, Mr. Miller, what is solution? What step people should take to save the generation in life? How can nation be healthy and safe from heart disease?
Nature is the safest place to live happy and healthy. Thousands of herbal medicines successfully cured the heart disorder and saving people lives, but due to mass advertisement of chemical drugs, government programs on usage of chemical drugs, the natural drugs are not getting consideration, what place naturopathy deserves. This is all about money game. Natural or herbal medicines cures the disease, that's why business entity cannot get second chance to earn money from patients. Natural medicines are organic, so there is no big margin or commission. Also, chemical drugs are dumping system of useless chemicals too. Natural herbs are safe, 100% out of side effect. Suppose you took the drug after expiration, still it will not harm. Natural medicines acts like mother, and mother never hurt their children, whatever situation is. So, my message to all is, come back and accept nature. We are treating people across the globe through herbal and natural medicines only. Only organic chemicals or herbs we use. Our prescribed medications clinical research will explain you how safe and side effects free we are. We must need to join nature to save our next generation.
Well, thanks Dr. Miller for the information. We absolutely agrees with your suggestion and I am going to get my health checkup first within your clinic. Hey, so, how was the show guys? Let's join Dr. Miller and start living natural life. Visit the website www.eattreatment.co and book an appointment by self whatever time suits you. Dr. Miller counseling free of cost, and Dr. Miller do not use any specific brand herbs, but he prescribe whatever best in market and available near you. So, let's enjoy the nature.
Thank you for watching this. Let's join the nature and save precious heart, because it is made to love, not to fail. Book an appointment for free counseling on heart disease.